Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an image ID for this cool Gojo portrait in Garden 2 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a fun item in Garden 2 where you can put ID and then each ID will give you different picture or different portrait. And if you want to get this cool Gojo portrait for your picture frame, you need to add this image ID 968 698 918953330. After you put this ID in your picture frame, you'll get this amazing Gojo Satoru portrait. Okay, try it now and get this portrait for your garden. But before it, make sure that you have already purchased the picture frame, guys. You can get it from the picture frame crate from the gear shop in Grow Garden 2. Okay guys, and that's the image ID for Gojo Satoru portrait in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!